Welcome to the iconic Manhattan Bridge, one of New York City's most famous landmarks. The Manhattan Bridge was completed in 1909, spans the East River and connects Manhattan and Brooklyn. As you approach the bridge, you'll be greeted with the bustling energy of Chinatown. The bridge offers a perfect lookout to take in the vibrant streets below. But the real magic happens once you step onto the bridge. The Manhattan Bridge isn't just a beauty to behold, it's also an engineering marvel. Back in the day, it held the title of the longest suspension bridge in the world, stretching over an incredible 6,800 feet, with its steel towers rising a stunning 300 feet above the water and over 80 miles of wire holding it all together. It's no wonder this bridge has become an iconic symbol of New York City's greatness. Of course, the Manhattan Bridge isn't just about engineering and design. It's also a popular spot for tourists and locals alike. For those who are up for a bit of adventure, take a stroll or bike ride across the bridge for an unforgettable experience. And for those who prefer to take it easy, a relaxing subway or taxi ride across the bridge is just as enjoyable with the stunning views. So no matter what your interests are, the Manhattan Bridge is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to appreciate the beauty of architecture, history, and the incredible city of New York. So go and experience the magic for yourself if you have the chance.